Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted messages on TikTok. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this guide useful. And now, once you are on your profile, you want to go ahead and click on three lines at the top. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account. And now choose Download Your Data. After that, you want to select Data to Download, or you can select a file format. So let's select Data to Download. You can choose all data or a custom one. Now, here it is, a custom one. And you want to choose messages, direct messages you've sent or received. Click Done. And now select a format, TXT or JSON. And this is easy to read text file, and JSON allows other services to import your file. Now you request the data, and your data request is being processed, and here it is. Now you can download it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.